This is our third episode. I want to give a major shout out to that motherfucker that said that this would end after 2 episodes. Suck it, bitch.
Let me see somebody do a kickflip. I told you 8.
It is cuffing season. What do I mean by that? Do I mean cuffing items of apparel or cuffing a significant other of your choice? It's that time of year where that phrase gets used more. That's all that means, because you could be talking about your pants, you could be talking about your tiny hat, you could be talking about a significant other, aka a woman or man, whichever you prefer. So let's examine all of the areas of the cuff, the C-U-F-F. Example 1. These are pants. Dickies, actually. This is the bottom of pants. That is a double cuff. That means it is cuffed twice.
Fuck you, Dale! Fuck you!
That is a style that has penetrated skateboarding in 2012, 2013. It doesn't really matter. I feel like I start all of these off the same anyway. It was as if overnight, skaters everywhere, all across the nation, all across planet Earth were cuffing their pants. This was the desired fashion aesthetic. Everybody wanted to be the cool guy. Have you guys noticed a trend here yet? Get it? Honey, I'm funny. Everybody wants acceptance. We want the validation. And that's okay, because I want it too. So like this fucking video.
God damn it.
But people started expanding into different areas of bottom body part attire. Now, just like any trend, this one came with the wind and it was also gone with the wind. Never even seen that movie. People are just like, yo, I want to be different. I want to level up my kits, level up my fit. We're getting way off topic here. Let's get back to example 2. Example 2 is cuffing a significant other, falling in love for the first time. Maybe it's not your first time. Maybe it's your second time. Maybe you're a serial monogamist, like I once was. Maybe you need the validation of a significant other to make you feel good about yourself. That's really dark and depressing. This one's turning out pretty dark. We're getting in pretty deep on this one. You want a female or a male to kiss under the mistletoe. You want to take them home to mommy and daddy and be like, look, I'm a successful person. I'm doing the thing. I'm doing what everyone else does. I'm obeying your social standards and your stigmas. You build memories with that person. And for a while, it's going good. But then it goes bad because the other cool skater shows up at the park and your girl sees him. And she's like, whoa, he's on the next wave. He's really leveled up his trends. So she starts going for him. But he doesn't know how to text back. So she gets her heart broken. And then she wonders,
so why do good girls like bad guys? I had this question for a real long time. I've been a bad boy and it's plain to see. So why do good...
That's just how it goes when you go for something where the grass tends to look like it's greener. It's not, because your neighbors don't even water it that often. It just looks like that to you because you're delusional. I'm sorry. I'm just here to tell you the truth. I'm gonna refer back to this meme account a lot. So you could say, Dale, you're stealing all this content from @tinyhat_skatelife. Well, you know what? It's beneficial to both of us, because you're gonna go over there, you're gonna look at that account, and you're gonna be like, wow, this girl's really funny. And you're gonna watch this video and you're gonna be like, damn, this dude sucks. I hate this guy. And you're gonna feel better about yourself. So it's a win-win. He just wants to have some fun, but he doesn't know how to tell her. He doesn't know how to be straight up, because he just wants to send it with the boys. He just wants to hang out with his doggies and not be a kook.
This is kind of hot.
What are these videos? Somebody tell me. The girl wants to cuff that unattainable man. The girl or the boy, whoever, whichever it is, doesn't matter. Gender fluid here on this channel. That's the only positive thing about this video, I guess. It's hot. I need to cuff. If you're taking a cuff break with me, like this video, guys. I'm J Station.
What is poppin', guys?
Ouija board 3 a.m. challenge, guys. We're gonna see if we can contact the deceased, guys.
Addiction is a very serious thing, guys.
And exploit it for views, guys.
Mac, we definitely see that you're trying to make communication with us. Talk to me.
Now that we're in the rabbit hole, we have so many options. Let's explore the first one. That is how to cuff pants like a skater. Let's dive into the pants first, and we'll dive into the relationships after. Here we go. Jordan O'Brien. Pin roll cuff and classic cuff. I love this retail music. Oh wait.
Let's get right into it. And I'm using my...
You see that? The background changed. Illuminati.
right on the top of your foot without too much creasing in the pant leg right here. So if you have to,
Okay.
go get them tailored, go get them shortened. That's what I do with my jeans and all my pants.
Now, I've gotten a couple pants tailored in my day. I don't personally really want to do all of that work because I just want to put the clothes on, walk out the door, and have all the jaws hit the floor.
Cuffs that I go with, there's the classic cuff. And the classic cuff is basically self-explanatory. It's
Hurry
just
up!
a regular one cuff around the leg. Closer to your actual leg. Now what you want to do with the pin roll,
Tell us!
it goes like a little S in there, like a little burrito. And what you do
Burrito.
from here, you just take it, you fold it up.
Don't we just love this like fashion music right now? Next, how to skater streetwear. Look at this fucking thumbnail. Get the SK8R aesthetic.
So what's up, dudes? In this video, you're gonna learn how to freaking thrash, bro. Just like a skater, you know, same shit.
This guy Mariana.
But yeah, I've noticed a lot of people have been picking up fashion cues from skaters, and you know, I thought it would make sense to shed some light on the aesthetic. Yeah, bro. You know how to shred some looks, bro.
What did he fucking just say?
You ever realize that surfers are like the skaters of the sea? They look like you shred some aisles and snag them bitches that wear chokers, high-waisted jeans, because we know those chicas love skaters.
Okay, so clearly this is ironic. Good job.
Easy.
That's John.
Get a drum roll real quick, bro.
Pretty spot on. I can already tell how this video is gonna go. It's gonna be ironic all the way through. The lighting is so fucked. I get it. He slid down the fucking stairs and that's how he rolled up his pants. Good job. Jesus fucking Christ, dude. I'll never get that minute back. Oh, here's my video. The best pants for skateboarding. God damn it. I think that was an alright video. On a serious note, do you guys want me to fucking react to my old ass cringy content? I know there's some really good shit in there that's gonna be really entertaining cringe. I'll do that. Just say the fucking word. Comment down below. Engagement.
Like the video.
Like the video anyway, you know, because it'll improve my self-esteem and I can finally go to sleep at night. I've seen this guy know for the world. He just makes how to be any kind of variation of trendy and hipster videos, which is exactly what I fucking started doing. I don't know what the fuck this video was. At least you can look at how shitty I'm doing and you can feel good about how you're doing. Hopefully you got your homework done and you fucking clocked in on time and your boss gave you a gold star to put it on the goddamn fridge, because sure as hell my boss didn't. My boss is me. So I fucking not give myself a pat on the back today because I'm just fucking... I can't even put a goddamn sentence together. Jesus Christ. The cuff is still extremely relevant. It's been going strong for almost 10 years now. I don't think it's going anywhere anytime soon. The cuff might be here to stay. I gotta be honest, it's a good look. I don't hate it, but remember this. It's not what you do. It's how you do it. And what you have to say. Just cue the fashion music.